Okay, here in Utah, all I need is one mirror and then obviously the blinkers, the headlight, all of that sort of thing. Tires, sometimes people can be picky on whether they're DOT approved or not, but it will just depend on the inspector if they're really looking for that. But I have talked to both cops and DNR before, and they could care less if you do have DOT approved tires. So anyway, most people overlook that, but other than that, everything is set up and ready to go. I have the plate mounted with the plate light as well. So I'm gonna go get this inspected, and then after that I'll be able to title and register and insure it. Okay guys, I just got back from my safety inspection at a shop that does it near me. Just a quick note, call ahead before you go anywhere and make sure that they still do safety inspections, because for example in Utah they're not required for most cars anymore, so a lot of people just stopped being licensed to do it. But I did find somebody who was able to do it for me. All I did differently from what you saw in the install video is I added a mirror, and that is it. Everything else is as you saw in the video, and we got safety inspection passed for the EM5 Pro. They did not have the make for this motorcycle in the system, so they just had to do unverified make, but it passed everything. So now this bike is ready to take this paperwork to the DMV. They will still have to do a VIN inspection to change my certificate of origin over to a title. But now that I have the safety paperwork, we're good to go. So if anybody was curious how to go about doing this with this kit, depending on your state's laws, obviously, every state is different, you'll be able to do what I just did. So anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'm excited to start selling these here in the Ogden, Utah area.